In where? All right. Into our log laws, our logarithm laws. Log to the base a of x times y is log to the base a of x plus log to the base a of y. So if there are, for example, I'll do examples in a sec. So it might be log to the base a of, say, 6, because 6 is 3 times 2. That would be log to the base a of 2 plus log to the base a of 3. I'll do them later, examples, all right? And the third rule is, just going to miss one out. Log to the base a of x to the power of n is, so if you've got log to the base a of something to the power of something else, you bring that n to the front, is n times log to the base a of x. Now these are the 3 rules that you need to know. We're going to do some examples. I'll just do the examples that are there. Okay, examples. Now, girls, are we ready? So these are our 3 rules. So if you're asked to add 2 logs together, look, if you're asked to add 2 logs together and the bases of the logs are the same, you can just do log to that same base of x times y. So here, log to the base 6 of 3 plus log to the base 6 of 12 is log to the base 6 because the bases are the same and we do 3 times 12. Do you get it? So it's log to the base 6 of 36. Do you remember the definition of log? 6 to the power of what is 36? It's 2. Now, if you want, you know change of base. If you can't remember that rule, you just go log 36 over log 6. Got it? Or it's 6 to the power of what is 36? It's 2. Or you could do, what you could do is log 36 on log 6 with your calculator. All right, and you will get 2 as well on the calc using change of base formula. Because remember I said you can't put anything into a calculator unless it's log 10 or log ln or log e. All right, another example. Okay, I'll just do these ones here. Given that log to the base 5 of 3 is 0.68 and log to the base 5 of 4 is 0.86, they want us to find log to the base 5 of 12. Oh, you can't even see it. Here. Are we ready? All right. Isn't log to the base 5 of 12 the same as log to the base 5 of, what's 12? Using the numbers up here. 12 is 6 times 2 or 3 times 4 or 1 times 12. What are you going to use? 3 times 4. Why am I doing that? Because I know what log to the base 5 of 3 is and log to the base 5 of 4 is. So log to the base 5 of 12 is log to the base 5 of 3 times 4. What's the rule say? That I can split them up and put a, what? Plus. Do you know what each of those is? Girls, do you know what I'm doing? Log to the base 5 of 3 is 0.68. Log to the base 5 of 4 is given to you. It's 0.86. And so the answer is what? Okay. The next one. Find log to the base 5 of 0.75. Girls, I need that in terms of, so this is the question, given that log to the base 5 of 3 is 0.68 and log to the base 5 of 4 is 0.86. Find log to the base 5 of 0.75. Isn't that log to the base 5 of 3/4? What's the rule for log to the base a of x on y? It's log to the base a of x minus log to the base a of y. So what do I do with this? So it's log to the base 5 of 3 minus log to the base 5 of 4, which is, you know what those are. Yeah, you can do it on the calculator, guys, but we're learning the log laws. So it's log to the base 5 of 3 is 0.68 minus log to the base 5 of 4 is 0.86. See, girls, what you're going to learn is that log of anything less than 1 is negative as well. We do that later when we graph logs. And what do you get? Negative point. The next one, log to the base 5 of 9. Now, ready? Can I... Still using what we've been given. Next example. Given that, again, we're given, we know that log to the base 5 of 3 is, what is it, 0.68. And log to the base 5 of 4 is 0.86. You're asked to find log to the base 5 of 9. Now, that's the only information you've got. That log to the base 5 of 3 is 0.68 and log to the base 5 of 4 is 0.86. How can you write 9 as 3 what? So, what's that rule? I'll bring it here. Log to the base a of x to the power of n, you bring the n to the front. Is n log to the base a of x? So what do I do here? It's 2 times log to the base 5 of 3, which is 2 times log to the base 5 of 3 is 0.68. What's that? 1.36. Last one, log to the base 5 of 20. Girls, I've got to only use either log to the base 5 of 3 or log to the base 5 of 4. Now, that's log to the base 5, what? Is 10 times 2 going to help me? 4 times 5 will help me. You know why it'll help? I'll tell you why. Because it's log to the base 5 of 4 plus log to the base 5 of 5. Now, we did a whole heap of those. What's log to the base 5 of 5? 1. So it's log to the base 5 of 4, we know is 0.86, plus, you know how we did log to the base e of e, log to the base 2 of 2, or whatever, all the different. So this one, 20, you've got to think of it in terms of 3 and 4. We've got 4 times 5, and that's okay because log to the base 5 of 5 is 1. So log to the base 5 of 4 is 0.86 plus log to the base 5 of 5 is 1. Answer's 1.86. Now, done those. Just one more. Solve the following. And I'll try and do some from the... These are fairly easy ones. Solve the following. Log to the base 2 of 12 equals log to the base 2 of 3 plus log to the base 2 of x. See this? How can I write that? When you're adding logs with the same bases, what do you do with the 3 and the x? So therefore, 12 equals 3x. Do you get it? Therefore, x is... Alright, I'll see what else I can find in here. At the last, exercise 4.5, just the last question in each question. To simplify the following, 3 times log to the base 3 of p plus log to the base 3 of q minus 2 times log to the base 3 of r. What happens with this 3? Yeah, it's log to the base 3 of p cubed plus log to the base 3 of q, because the rule is this. That third rule, rule number 3. And what should I do with the 2? Log to the base 3 of r squared. So girls, when you're adding, what do you do with your logs? You multiply. And when you're subtracting, what are you doing? You divide. You okay with that done in one step? So that would be log to the base 3 of p cubed plus log to the base 3 of q means multiply the p cubed and the q. But when you go minus the r squared, you're dividing by r squared here. Okay? All right, another one.